In this video, we are going to learn what is the macros and a VBA. Means there is a confusion about what is the macros and VBA. So firstly, macros is a piece of a code. Okay, so whenever you are writing a specific code for creating a new task, new formula, so you can use a code for that. So it is a macros, and macros are written in a programming language like in a VBA. So VBA it is a programming language, you can say that, and VBA is a visual basics of application like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and VBA is an editor in Excel and Word. So it is a use, we can say that, for the editing, for like writing for code, we can use as a VBA. So there is a difference between VBA, VB, and VBS. So what is a VBA? VBA is stand-alone program that runs independently. Okay, so this is the program, and that is alone that runs independently. And VBA, it is a part of Excel program and cannot run alone. And the VBA is a variant of Visual Basic Language used for internet applications. So this is the difference in a VB, VBS, and so why need a macros? Okay, so first important thing is a macro is it's a save your time. Okay, so first important point is macros are save your time for because of the it is reducing your repetitive task. Okay, you can see the repetitive task it's reduced, or we can say that saves time and develop a new formula, because when you have different formulas, you have already like sum, average, there are different functions for data validation, conditional formatting, but you want to create something new for that, or you want to add a new condition, you want to add a new formula at your own. So that is a develop a new formula, and also reduce for your complex task in a very efficient way. Okay, so this is a why we require macros. Now you can say about macros, you already know macros is an object oriented program in the Excel, like anything and everything is an object. So workbook, sheet, sales, these are the objects. So it is an object oriented program. Okay, so this is all about basics of macros and VBA. Hope you understand.